Paul Lugabo ay student of USTP Extension Class Silao. And my report is all about digestive system. Digestive system have a monogastric or swine digestive system, or swine or pig have a monogastric digestive system, meaning we have a single chamber stomach. This system is similar to humans and is designed for digestive grains, proteins, and fats. Pictures. Mouth, green food, mixed with saliva, superglue to the stomach. Stomach produces acids and enzymes to break down food. Small intestine nutrients are absorbed into bloodstream. Large intestine absorbs water forms waste. Since pigs have a simple stomach, they cannot digest fibrous materials like grass as efficiently as a ruminants or castle. They require a diet rich in grains and proteins. 2. Modified simple stomach chicken digestive system. Go.
Number 2. Modified simple stomach chicken digestive system. Chicken also have a monogastric system, but it modified for their unique feeding habits. Their digestive system includes special parts that help break down food with chewing. Key feature: break and mouth. Number of teeth. Food is a swallow wall. Craft storage area where food soften. Proventriculus produce digestive juice like a stomach. Gizzard, a molecular organ that grinds food using small stool or grit. Small and large intestine absorb nutrients and water. Cloaca, which are excreted. Because chicken lack teeth, they really rely on their gizzard to crush food, making digestive efficient. Their diet mainly consists of grains, insects, and small particles.
So number 3, compound stomach cattle digestive system. Cattle have a compound stomach with 4 chambers, so allowing them to digest fibrous plant like grass efficiently. This system is called ruminant digestion. So the key features is number 1, rumen. The largest chamber microbes break down whole fiber. So reticulum traps large particles and helps regulate food. So the third is omasum, absorb water and nutrients. Abomasum, the true stomach, where enzymes digest food. Intestine, absorb nutrients and eliminate waste. So cattle chew their food twice rumination. So to break it down fully, their diet is mainly grass and plant-based fibers, which their stomach microbes help digest. So conclusion, pig have a simple stomach and need grains and proteins. Chickens have a modified stomach with a gizzard to grind food. Cattle have a compound stomach to digest fibrous plant. So each animal's digestive system is to its diet and rate of eating, ensuring. So each animal's digestive system is suited to its diet and way of eating, ensuring proper nutrients absorption. And that's all. Thank you.